My name is Nathan Billet, and this is my FormAssembly data story. I am the Director of Information Technology at the Oakland Public Education Fund. We are the primary fundraiser for the Oakland Unified School District, as well as providing fiscal sponsorship services to a large variety of programs throughout the Oakland School District. We've used FormAssembly for many years and is our primary intake system for user data into Salesforce. We use FormAssembly for all of our volunteer intake and also for our expense process to serve our clients. And using dynamic pick lists, we are able to have forms that are live linked to our data. This means that any changes that take place within our database can be immediately represented on our forms. This has reduced bad data entering into our system by about 50%, which overall has improved the ability of us to deliver our services.